As a mandate holder on racism, I would like to reiterate the urgent need to address the deteriorating situation in Gaza and other parts of the Middle East. I would like to stress that I unequivocally condemn the indiscriminate attack on civilians in Israel on the 7th of October and the subsequent rise in anti-Semitism. Simultaneously, I would like to emphasize the urgency of addressing the worsening humanitarian crisis and the staggering toll on human lives in Gaza. Systemic racism and xenophobia against Palestinians are deeply entrenched in various systems and institutions, perpetuating a cycle of violence, exclusion, and elimination. This racism not only dehumanizes Palestinians, but also justifies and perpetuates the continued occupation and violence they are subjected to. Addressing the anti-Palestine racism requires confronting its deep-rooted presence within international policies, media narratives, and institutional framework that disproportionately impact Palestinian lives. The UN's anti-racism agenda emphasizes the importance of dignity for all. It calls for the eradication of racial discrimination in all its forms, and this must include taking a firm stand to put an end to the genocidal attack committed against Palestinians. At this critical juncture, the UN's commitment must extend to the Palestinian people who are enduring one of the most protracted and severe humanitarian crises of our time. The continued collective denial of the atrocities committed against Palestinians must be condemned in the strongest words possible, and there's an urgent need to put an end to these atrocities. Call for an immediate ceasefire must be the core demand of the members of the international community. I strongly urge the member states to call for an immediate ceasefire to end the continued apartheid against Palestinians. As members of the international community, we have a legal obligation to address this humanitarian crisis with utmost urgency. There is an urgent need for an unwavering commitment and strong conviction by the member states to end the genocidal attack and to achieve just peace for the people of Palestine and for all who are affected by this conflict.